So, napanood ko yung episode ng PBB at nakapagkape ako. So, medyo may mga gusto akong sabihin. Tinanong sila ni Kuya, sino ang deserving bumalik? Diba? Bukod kay Will and Ralph, ang sagot ng lahat ay Shukla. Pero nung tinanong na ni Kuya, sino ang willing mag-sacrifice? Isang duo lang ang sumagot na kami willing. To me, that whole scenario was a proof of you have this duo na hindi lang magaling magsalita, hindi lang magaling mag-throw ng compliments, pero kaya nilang panindigan yung sinabi nila doon sa confession room na yon. Now, here comes the house challengers. Ba after nun, pagpasok nila sa kwarto, in-interrogate sila. So now, their act of kindness was weaponized against them. Yung spot nyo, bakit nyo ginigive up? Kung talagang big winner material kayo, paglalaban nyo to, ganyan. And ako lang ba, yung nakaka-feel na parang, parang hindi siya tugma. Kasi parang, yung sa confession room, malamang tinanong mo ako, Kuya, kung sino yung deserving at kung kaya ko bang panindigan yung sinasabi ko. So, if I was a strong, determined person, I would make sure that before I say anything, kaya ko siyang panindigan. So, to my mind, that was admirable. But to use my empathy, my compassion, and my determination to back up my words against me, and that becomes a weapon and a basis for people to say that I don't deserve to win, is just so disconnected. If the house challengers, ang goal nila is for the housemates to show how bad they want this, then let that be the conversation. Okay, let me fight. Point blank na lang, mag-argue tayo ngayon. Point blank, interrogate me. Point blank, flesh me out. I will answer every question. Pero yung nanggaling ako sa confession room na tinanong ako at pinanindigan ko yung sinabi ko, somehow ngayon, kahinaan ko siya. Gets nyo ba? Just because I'm willing to sacrifice for other people doesn't make me less deserving. And just because I can give up some battles doesn't mean I cannot win those battles. In fact, if the position was a position of security, it's saying, you know what? Hindi ko ikamamatay na hindi ako magiging big winner. Maybe someone else needs it. But if you wanna fight for that, and that is the energy, tell me why I don't deserve it, diba? Yun ang pagtalunan natin ngayon. Bakit nyo sasabihin sa akin, hindi ko deserve? And ito yung gusto kong, please, hear me out, okay? Hindi lahat ng sasali sa competition, reality show, talent search ay kahirapan ang dahilan. At hindi lahat ng tao willing i-give up yung values nila, yung pagkatao nila for the sake of a title. But in the same breath, just because hindi sila mahirap or just because hindi sila willing i-lose yung sarili nila sa gitna ng kompetisyon, hindi na sila deserving. Kasi at the end of the day, it's how they comply with the mechanics of the game that matters, di ba? Kung pagpapakatotoo, yun. Kung ito ay boto ng mga tao, yun. Diba? Kung ito ay skill, yun. So in conclusion, all I'm saying is, yung kanilang kindness at ability nila mag-sacrifice para sa ibang tao, hindi siya dapat pinapakita na para bang ito ay kahinaan at ito ay pagiging talunan. In fact, I think, big winner, characteristic yun. Someone's ability to sacrifice for other people does not undermine their ability to be winners. Yun lang naman. Sige na. Scroll mo na.